What is up, YouTube? Hey guys, just go ahead and pull out in front of me. Anyways, hey, so it is a super nasty rainy day in Missouri, Kansas City to be exact. Let's see. Man, I bet those wipers are loud. Yeah, so I've kind of been really slacking on videos here lately. I've got one that I'm trying to put together, and I just have really bad motivation here lately for YouTube and getting progress done on the on the boost knuckle. Actually got some parts for it, and I made a post on, I think, Instagram about it. I'll probably do a video of that here coming up pretty quick once we get some more parts in. But yeah, I've got a video I'm working now. It's just some, odds and ends stuff, nothing real major. But anyways, like I said, it is a rainy Saturday morning, and we got some good stuff going on today. Excuse me. We've got the finishing lines Integra sport front-wheel drive car. We are taking to get dyno tuned today. We're headed to, I'm headed to Josh, my buddy from Finishing Lines. He's already on his way there if he's not already there. But we are headed to Revline here in Kansas City to use their dyno, and Joe from Low Cash at Low Cash CNC, he is going to be doing the tuning on it remote as we make dyno pulls on Revline's dyno. I can't imagine we'll have to do a whole lot. We did change quite a bit of stuff on this new motor. Still a 7285 car, but we're currently on web single lobe custom grind cams, fully CNC ported cylinder head from 4-piston, which is a really gnarly cylinder head. Still basically flat top piston, nothing big crazy compression or nothing like that. But yeah, we've changed the suspension stuff on it. Went to a bunch of spherical stuff, tubular K-member, or whatever everybody's calling them now. I call them cross members. Went over to strange suspension. I mean, Josh has just made tons and tons of changes to the car for this season. So we are trying to get the car tuned today, make sure all that's good and squared away. Got alignment on it, I think last week or the week before. So we're just kind of chipping away at the bit here, trying to get some of this stuff sorted out on his car. My car is still sitting, waiting for tuning. We were going to try and tune them both at the same time. Some stuff didn't work out. So I guess we're just going to tune his instead for now. Going to try and see. I don't know. It kind of seems like nobody wants to tune my car. I don't know if it's because it's on the M84 box and it's so much different than the 100 series. I don't know. I assume it wouldn't be that much different, but apparently nobody wants to tune the car. So I don't know. It's just going to sit until we figure something out. But I'm not going to spend $3,000 traveling somewhere to have the car tuned, and have a very good possibility the thing could let go on the dyno. That could really suck. So anyways, we're gonna get on the highway here and head over to Revline, and hopefully when we get there, we'll get the car unloaded, get it all strapped on the dyno. We'll probably chat with Jeff and the guys over at Revline and just kind of BS with them for a little bit, and we'll get started making dyno pulls. So I've just always come to realize that, pun intended, when it rains it pours for us. Luckily got an enclosed trailer now. You can obviously hear the rain, but it's actually slowing down a little bit now. But it's like, this stuff always happens to us, whether it be race day or dyno day or whatever the case may be. Like weather and just random stuff just crazy. I mean, it just always happens to us. I don't get it. Yeah, I don't know. So nonetheless, I'm gonna get wet. Fingers crossed he's already got it unloaded when I get there. If he does, sorry Josh. Thanks for getting it unloaded without me, so I didn't have to get soaking wet. Anyways, we're almost to rev line, so we'll see you guys in just a second. So we're here, and Mr. Josh Luck here trying to figure out what he's gonna do with his trailer. I don't know what he's doing. Jeff's looking at me like I'm a retard. He's like, who's this jackass honking at me? Hopefully they're going to back it up to the door and then unload it. I'm not sure Josh's enclosed trailer skills are up to par just yet, but we will see shortly. Jeff is like, who is that? He must not recognize the truck yet. Let's go see what these goons are doing. What's up, yo? Huh? See if we can blow this bitch up. He's not gonna like that comment. He's not gonna like that comment. About to check them lug nuts. We're missing one on every wheel though. I mean, because it's supposed to be 5. Yeah. If 4 won't hold it, 5 won't either. That's Jeff's motto. He's talking to Joe on the phone. You just can't see him holding it. And Jeff's over here getting the dyno ready.
Let you look it over and then.
He's a derelict. He heard me. Finish lines. The 7285 car. Web single lobe cams. Like I said, 4-piston head. PBG dog box. Some basic stuff. Walk over here, show you the motor. Pro J intake. About to get her lit up. Motec shenanigans. Well, what the hell? Why don't we fire this old girl up?
It's always good.
Damn it. That would have been cool.
The charger. Are you charging people?
I don't think I've got my charger in the truck. Put some lotion on its skin. Needs more boost. Blunicorn. Some Blunicorn. Can you see it? Would you look at it?
You just look at it.
Would you just look at that? Just look at it. Stevie?
Look at that.
Would you look at it?
Just look at that.
Would you look at that? This is the baddest sport front-wheel drive car in the Midwest. You know why we know? Because look at this, all this billet. It's got billet.
Did you mean show car? Baddest show car?
Joe car? Is that what they would call this? We call this a Joe car?
Show car.
KLM. KLM. North man. You should tell him not to turn it up yet, and let's just try standing on the door jam.
He said second, so let's go get some wings.
Huh?
Let's go get some Malaysians.
Oh, I thought you said let's go get some wings, and I was like, I am kind of still hungry.
That's it.
I like wangs. You like wangs? Stevie likes wangs.
Everybody wings.
This is my boy Stevie.
My boy, Blue.
I want a dyno. I want a dyno. Like my shit. But I don't know how to tune it, Stevie. There is probably tuning 101 for retards.
Before you blow up your motor, please read this instructional.
Alright, we're gonna make another pull. Huh? Oh, yeah. last pull. Well, it made 986. Not super pleased with it. We ended up putting quite a bit of boost at it. Kind of is what it is. This dyno's known for being the heartbreaker. But yeah, I mean, it made almost 1,000. Graph looks pretty good. Had a couple little small spots in here, but you got to take into consideration. You know, we're running this on a H-rated tire. It's actually spinning the wheel on the tire a little bit, or the tire on the wheel, however you want to say it. But I mean, that's pretty much it. We're gonna get this thing loaded back up and head back home. But be on the lookout for some videos of this car at the track. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. We will see you guys later.